Hello. uh, Today we are going to talk about mm, again a small program, and that is related to getc and putc. So yesterday we discussed about how getc and putc we can use to read the data, to write the data in that open file. So that was about the getc and putc, and we also saw the same stuff using getc and putc. We can also go for app getc and the app putc. Now in today's program, actually what we are going to do, we are going to add some more data. Means some data are already there and some more data we are going to add. So how to do that? Let's see. Let's open the study program. So this is a program. Let's save this program again. Okay. So let's give a file name here. So file.txt. So we are going to add data. So what we have to do there, we have to open the file in mode, and since we are going to read the data, so we have to put this plus symbol. It means reading will also be done, and so if it is done means could not be created file and could not be opened there. So it returns 1 and the program terminates. uh, Similarly, after we are so we input the data using getc until we press Ctrl plus Z, and as we press Ctrl plus Z, then what happens, it stops accepting further data, and that is stored inside the file using a putc. We can also use uh, putc. Both are applicable here. So we have to remind the pointer, and after what happens, actually we have to read the data using getc until it gets the enter file, and after that we have to print it. So first let's give it data, and again we will run the program. Let's run the program. If there is any bug, then we'll see that. So it is having some problem there. Just create a new file here. Let's save it. Sometimes saving same file it creates an error. So adding more data using this one. Change the extension. Okay, let's save it. Okay, everything is fine here. Let's run it. Uh, so everything looks fine here. However, it is showing some problem. Let's see where is the problem. Okay, first let's do w plus. Then okay, again it is showing problem there. So let's create a file. Control C, Control N, Control E. Let's save it. Addition of data. Uh, Process exited after this second, return value 0 means it could not be created. File.txt. So is there any problem here? So everything is fine here. So include stdio.s uh, uh, int main. So let's make false file pointer. Okay, char cs. After that, let's open the file. Let's open remote. So printer records to exit pass ctrl plus z. So why cs equals to getc not equal to EOF. So putc, name of variable CS, file name is K. That's all. Printf the data recorded successfully. Now we are going to read the data, so we have to use rewind. Okay, that's it. Now again we have to use same loop here. So what we need there, so doing copy and paste. Here is getc. What is the name of pointer? K. Let's put the K here. So not equal to EF, and we have to put char, that is ch. That's all. After that we have to put fcloc, that is okay. Okay, fine. So after return 0, let's save it with the file, new file for further data. Okay, let's run it. Okay, again same problem it is showing there. What is the problem? So it is having some problem here. So what is happening here? So same problem, I think. So this compiler is having some issue, so it is unable to create the file. Mm, 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 mm. So what is the problem here? Mm, 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 mm. Okay, let's save it outside. Save as desktop. So source file, save it. Execute. Okay, so there was compiler issue, we can say here. It was not running, but now it is running here. So look here. So enter records like hello, how are you? So I am fine, and you. So going to start. Control Z, enter. So data declared successfully. Here we can see the data is here. Fine. Now, uh, uh, okay. Now let's add the data further. So we have to add A. Let's rerun the program, saving and rerunning the program. So look here. So it is not showing any that issue. Now let's add some more data. Mm, today is Monday. Today is Monday. Monday is Today is Monday. Monday is a holiday. Okay. So holiday. So let's save it. Control Z. So look here. The previous data, how are you? I am fine, and you. It is also there, and the data I just entered. Today is Monday. Monday is holiday. So it is also there. So this is how we can add the data. Sometimes if the compiler issue comes, then we have to change the location, then we can get the output. So this is how we can add the data, and we can get the output. It's very simple. Now let's go for further program. Sometimes actually if there is no data, then how to know there is no data in the program? For that actually we have to use some concept, and that concept is null. We can also use null, and sometimes we can use the random functions to know there is data or not. So let's go for that. So let's create a new file. To know file contains data or not. So here is studio.x. Next is main. Let's create a file pointer. File equals to app open. Let's give a name of file, that is data.txt. We are going to read the data. Suppose R is there, so we have to open R1. Let's use the if. So if uh, file equals to null, then printf the file could not be opened. Return one. Fine. So this is the actually error handling so structure most we use now. If it could not be created, then now if it could be created and could be opened, suppose, then what to do there? So we have to use some that random functions, that is appseek, and for which pointer we are going to work, that is file. Let's use the file here, and after that we have to go for the location, that is 0, and that is from seek it. Means we are going to at the end of our file. So that is appseek, which this is the file pointer, and actually we are going to the end of our this file data.txt. Now long file size equals to f10. So that is file. Now f close, that is file. If file size equals to 0, if file size is 0, then we have to print the file contains no data. So else we have to put, just to copy and paste this part, control C, control file contains data, or we can put some data here, that's all. So this is how we can know that actually this file we are working with, it contains data or not. For that, what we have to do then, first we have to take the pointer to the last position. So this is the last position, second of this file pointer. Then we have to know actually what is the file size, means the total file size we can know there, and that is shown by the f10, and f10 gives us an integer value. If that integer value, here is a spelling mistake, CLOS, if that file size is 0, it means it contains no data. If it contains data, then it would not be 0, then it would display that it contains some data. So this is how we can uh, write the program. So let's just save the program, and let's on desktop. So desktop, data with file with 0 data. Let's run it actually. What is going to happen? Oh, here is a spelling mistake. Save it, run it. So look here. So the file contains some data, data.txt, means there is data inside this file. So means it must have returned any other value than 0. So this is how we can know about the data is stored or there is data or not. So simple technique we can use, and that is this appseek. Later on I will talk more about the appseek function, but for now just we knew in so that a little quantity actually what is this appseek and how it works. I hope you are sure of this one. Uh, if you have any question, then you can ask me. So, any questions there? Actually, in the beginning, the skin was not appeared. Sorry for that. I forgot to switch from that let's say image to the live stream session. That is two scenes I have created here. You can see on my screen. The first scene is live stream, and second scene is subscribe. So subscribe scene it was enabled. So I forgot to it was that it was enabled. I forgot to enable the live stream session. So why the screen was not appeared on my desktop. So this was about the how to know about that. Uh, if any questions, let me know. If not, we'll move forward. So any questions here? So how is Rajiv? Rajiv? Okay, now next we are going to talk about here. Mm, Next is reading line by line. Okay, so sometimes if our file contains multiple lines, and suppose our that file contains this is the first line from here to here, and this is the second line. Okay, now what we don't want to read like character by character. No, we want to read this entire line, then this entire line, then so on. So for that actually we have a powerful function that is app gets and app puts. If we want to write a single line, then we can go for app puts. If we want to read an entire line, then we have to go for app gets. It's very simple there. So let's go for simple code is also written here. So here is data file and just opening in R mode. So if it is not, then obviously we have to stop it. I mean just for the execution. Here we are taking this one line. So first we have to store the data, and after that we have to read the data. So on desktop we mm, so store data, and that was data.txt. So here look here, we store this one. So suppose if we are going to read same data line by line, this one and this one and so on. So how to do that? Let's use same data file here. Mm, so 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 I'm going to use same code here. Let's create a new file. Let's do copy and paste here. We can also write yes it to take more time. So I did copy and paste. Now what we need there? So there is a data.txt same file there. We are going to read that. If it is done means it was unable to open that. Now next we are going to read an interline. So what we have to do there? We have to use symbolic constant having maximum character 256, and here is fcats. So what is this fcats? So this is the syntax means use the name of variable first and give its size, and they give the pointer from where we are going to read. Means pointer allocates or the pointer points to the data file. So it goes on reading until it gets the null value. Yes, at last actually this f gets the null value, so we have to use null value here, and after that it is printed from here. Let's see if it's going to work or not. If any bug comes, then we'll solve it. So saving, let's save on desktop. That is f gets saving. Now run. So look here, it is displaying the output. So it's very simple there. Yes. So first line, hello, how are you? It's read and displayed. Second line, I am fine and you? It also read and displayed. And next line, today is Monday, Monday is holiday, read and displayed. So very simple. But one thing is that it's a very powerful function. In some cases, what happens, scanf and some getc and putc, they don't work. They become failed. If that is the case, then we have to go for app gets. It's a powerful one. So we can use it. We can also use some with some conditions. I hope you are sure about this one. And in next video, I'll be talking some more about the app scanf and the binary processing and many others like appseek, then seekind, then apptail, and many other functions. So keep on tuning and just be with me. You can share with your friends, and mm, and if you want to talk on particular topic which is not mentioned, and gradually I'll be talking about some advanced topic of this C programming, or maybe JS, maybe the PSP, and with some other topics. So keep on tuning and just if you like, share with your friends, colleagues. If you don't like, then you can give me your feedback. Then so what is the reason? So what can be done for its betterment? On what topic you would like to discuss with me here? I'll bring that topic and so we'll discuss together. Okay, thank you. Take care. Uh, Tomorrow again at 4 o'clock we'll join here and we'll see some more programming related to data file, and gradually we'll be moving to some other concepts inside that maybe the data structure and algorithm, or maybe the pointer, or maybe the structure, maybe the uh, like in DSA, stack, queue, list, etc. So gradually we'll be talking about these all. So you have to wait for that. Okay, thank you.